Hello friends, today in maths chapter for linear equation in two variable, we will see the graph of the linear equation in two variable. So now we know that any equation of the type ax plus by plus c equals to 0 where a square plus b square is not equals to 0 type equation is called linear equation in one variable. So we will take such equation that we first we take simple equation x plus y equals to 5. So we find out solution of this. So x is equals to 5 minus y we can write, and so x is depending on y, so y value we will take as per our choice, and we can find x y. So if we take y equals to 1, x is equals to 4, y is equals to 0, then x is equals to 5, y is equals to 3, then x is equals to 2, and y is equals to 2, then x is equals to 3. So now we got the solution here, x equals to 4, y equals to 1, we take then one solution we have for 1. If we take x equals to 5, y equals to 0, then another solution we have 5, 0. X equals to 2, y equals to 3, then 2, 3, and x equals to 3, y equals to then 3, 2. And so these 4 points, we can get infinitely many solutions, but for we will take a limited solutions, and we plot these points. So like third chapter, we mark the solution for 1, 5, 0, 2, 3, 3, 2 in the graph. Then here x4 and y1, x5, y0, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, and we join the point, then we get a straight line. So we can see that the graph of linear equation in two variable, we are getting the straight line. Now we take the second equation x plus 2y equals to 6. So we make a x depending on y. So x is equals to 6 minus 2y. So x is equals to y is independent. So y value we will select as per our choice. So first we take y equals to 3. Then here 3 to the 6. So 6 minus 6 0. Y equals to 0 we submit. Then 2 0 to 0. So 6 minus 0 6. Y equals to 1 we submit, so 2 ones are 2. So 6 minus 2, that is the 4, and y equals to 2 we submit, and 2 2s are 4, so 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. And so we get the solutions 0 3, 6 0, 4 1 and 2 2. So these points we mark on the graph, then x0, then y3, x6, then y0, x4, then y1, and x2, then y2. And that points we join, and we get the line x plus 2y equals to 6. So by these two examples we can say that any graph of linear equations we draw, we get the straight line. Now example 5 is given. Write the equations of lines passing through write three equations of the line passing through point 1. So now we have studied already in chapter 5 that through a single point infinitely many lines pass like this way. We cannot count how many lines pass. We can draw any line in any direction. These all the lines can pass. So through a single point, infinitely many lines can pass. So we will not able to write all the equations. But here said that write the three equations of 1, 2, and which is linear equation in two variable. So first we will take x is equals to 1 and y equals to 2, and different relations which comes linear relations. we can write like x plus 2y, x minus y, x plus y, x minus 3y. Like this way, linear equations we can write. Now submit x value here and y value here. So 1 plus 2 into 2. So 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. So one relation we have x plus 2y equals to 5, which will passes through 1 2. Here x minus y, so we can take 1 minus 2 equals to, so minus 1. So second relation we get x minus y equals to minus 1. So this equation also gives us a line which is passing through 1 2. If we take x plus y, so 1 plus 2 we take, that is a 3. And so we can get here x plus y equals to 3. That is the another equation which can passes through 1 2. And x minus 3y, so 1 minus 3 into 2, so 1 minus 6, which is minus 5. So we can get x minus 3y equals to minus 5. So these all the equations, if you plot the graph, they will passes through 1 2. And so like this, also we can take x equals to 1 is a one line. We have already studied this is the one of the linear equation format, like x plus 0y equals to 1, and y equals to 2, also one of the line which is passing through 2 1 2. We can write 0x plus y equals to 2. And so these all equations are the equation which is passing through point 1 2. So any three equations you can write as the answers. Example 6 we have, draw the graph of equation x plus y equals to 7. So y is equals to, we can write 7 minus x. So x is independent and y is depending on x. So when x is independent, we can select the x value as per our choice. So x will take 0 and 7 minus 0 will be 7, and so y value will be 7. X is selected 7, then 7 minus 7 0, and so y value will be 0. X is selected as 3, then 7 minus 3 equals to 4, and so y equals to 4. Now we will not take more values, just we will take, we know that only 2 points required for a line. So 2 or 3 values, and we will write the solution and we will plot the graph. So here I have taken the 3 values, and 3 solutions are 0 7, 7 0 and 3 4. So these points we mark on the graph. So first horizontal line x-axis, vertical line y-axis, and we write 1 unit equals to 1 number on x-axis and y-axis. Then here we mark this in 0 7, so x0 then 7, x7 then y0, and x3 then y4. And we join the line points, then we get a straight line which is the graph of x plus y equals to 7. Now example 7 we have y equals to 3x. So here x is independent and y is depending on x. So x value we select as per our choice. So x is equals to 0, we take then 3 0 are 0, so y 0. X is equals to 1, we take then 3 1s are 3, so x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 3. X is equals to 2, we take then 3 2s are 6, so x 2, then y is equals to 6, and so we are getting solution 0 0 1 3 and 2 6. Now we draw the lines with these points, then 0 0 1 then 3 and 2 then 6, and we point join, then we get the y equals to 3x. Now here we can see that constant of c is not given, means it is 0, and so whenever constant term is 0, we will see that the graph will always passing through the origin 0 0. Example 8 we have, the graphs are given. Through the graph, the line equation we have to identify from the given options. So here we have the 3 points in the first graph, 1 2 0 0 and 1 minus 2. So the points, all 3 points satisfy whichever equation That will be the solution. So here 1 plus 2 equals to 3, which is not 0. So first equation is not satisfied by 1, 2 and 1 minus 2. And so first option is wrong. It is not. Now here x is equals to 1 we submit. Then 2 ones are 2. So y equals to 2. So that is correct. X is equals to 0 we submit. Then 2 zeros are 0. So second point. And x is equals to 1 we submit. Then y equals to minus 2. So again here it is not satisfied. So minus 1 minus 2 it is. So x is equals to minus 1 we submit. Then y equals to minus 2. So this equation satisfies all the 3 points. And so y equals to 2x. Now we can see that y equals to x not possible because x and y are not equal. And x is y equals to, here x is equals to 1 we submit. That 2 to the 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3. So y will be 3. So these two are not possible. And so the correct operator of equation is y equals to 2x. Similarly, here 3 points are given: 1 6, 0 4 and minus 2 0. So here 1 plus 6 cannot be 0. So first equation cannot possible. Now here x is equals to 1 we submit. And 2 ones are 2. So y equals to 2. But here 6 is given. So it is not possible. Now x is equals to 1 we submit in this equation. And 2 ones are 2 plus 4. 6, that is correct. X is equals to 0 we submit. Then 2 zeros are 0 plus 4. So 4, that is correct. And x is equals to minus 2 we submit. Then 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 4 0. And so this equation is there which satisfies all the 3 points. And so y equals to 2x plus 4 is the correct option. The third equation's 4 points are given: 2 0, 1 minus 2, 0 minus 4 and minus 1 minus 6. So we have to see which equation satisfies all the 4 conditions. So here first equation 2 plus 0 equals to 2, which is not 0. So first equation is wrong. Here 2 ones are 2, but here minus 2 is given. So second equation is also wrong. Third, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, which is also wrong. And so here 2 2s are 4 minus 4 0, that is for the first point correct. 2 1s are 2 minus 4, so minus 2, that is second point also satisfies. 2 zeros are 0 minus 4, so 0 minus 4, that will be minus 4, so third point also satisfies. And 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6, so correct form is y equals 2x minus 4.